Okay, we've got your cerebral cortex here, and then the corpus callosum is this sort of separating thing here,
Okay.
and then you've got an olfactory bulb there, and you can see them quite well here. You can see where the nerves go into them. Yeah, I got so high, it's just like breathing formaldehyde. So then let me just make sure I'm missing anything here. Okay, so. The olfactory lobes. Okay, this guy here, that's your optic chiasma. Okay, the optic lobe. Sorry, no, the optic chiasma, which controls the eye motions. Up here is your optic. Now we're into diencephalon. And then this is the pineal gland here, the pineal body. The third ventricle is this guy right here. Okay, this area here. She was explaining
The little kind of like
yeah,
opening.
there's basically 4 of them, right? And it's like when you've got a dorsal hollow nerve tube, when you form a brain out of it, it's gonna have a hole, space in the center of it. The first and second are in the cerebrum. The spaces, like this is, I guess, on the left side of the brain, the first or the second, or whatever. This is the third, and this is the fourth down here.
Okay.
What else is? Okay, yeah, of course. So we've got. So now we're into the diencephalon. Still forebrain. So optic chiasma. This is the thalamus. Okay, there's 2 sides to it. This area here is the hypothalamus, and the pituitary is not on here. It gets cut off. So the pituitary is actually this whole thing here. These are the posterior pituitary, or the neurohypophysis. These 2 little guys, and then this part of this, like in here, you can see all these other things. This whole complex is the the adenohypophysis, the Ranke's pouch. So the whole thing is the pituitary, which is kind of weird.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you can see, yeah. And then this is the optic chiasma, and this structure here is your hypothalamus. Moving into the midbrain, you've got the mesencephalon here. Mesencephalon. You've got an optic lobe, auditory lobe. Comes into the auditory lobe.
Is that the corporate?
Sorry, yeah. Optic lobe, the slight discoloration. Auditory lobe, this is your cerebral aqueduct. That it presumably is a channel that would connect this guy, this one, and this one, the third and fourth ventricles. So we just got a little sliver of it here. And then this little bit down here, see this little outcropping? That's your pons. So that's the relay center of the brain. It takes everything from here and sends it up there. Then you move back into the metencephalon, which is your cerebellum, essentially. That's it. Yeah, the tree of life. And then this little schwack down here is your medulla oblongata.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you.